Number 3, high protein breakfast now.
Ready, steady, cook. That's the kitty.
The first thing that we're doing is protein pancakes, and we're going to be using the My Vegan protein pancake mix in the flavor vanilla. And to make these super firm, all you need is 100 grams of the pancake mix. Perfect.
I would actually
Almost.
say that's 101.
Why would you do that? We're going to be using the Alpro vanilla. You need 150 grams of this mixed with the 100 grams of the protein mix. So at this point, you can add in chocolate chips or blueberries.
Go gadget, Photoshop a rat on Leanie's head that's cooking the food. Go.
Heat up the pan a little bit. I don't know if that's safe to eat.
It's probably not.
If you want a higher protein pancake, you can use protein spread. This one's from Free Soul. To be honest with you, it doesn't taste particularly good, so I added cookie dough flavoring to make it a little bit sweeter. Can you see it's a bit creamier? And now we're going to use this for one of the pancakes and then crumble it with Oreos. Or if you don't really care about the protein amount, you can use Vigo spread. This is my favorite basil nut spread. It's crunchy, it has little crunchy bits in it. And for the other pancake, Biscoff spread.
I like zooming in. It looks like you've got an egghead. End result with me in charge of temperature control. The goat.
Biscoff spread.
Bum bum bum. What kind of operation are we running here?
So nice.
Finishing touches.
Crumble. Oreo pancake, Biscoff pancake.
Protein packed. You got chocolate on your mouth.
Where? Is it gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
Let's start with the Oreo. I'm getting a little bit of the Oreo crunch as well.
Imagine my surprise. Show them the inside. Show them the cross section.
Cheers.
Oh man, I'm fucking well impressed. My suggestion to you at home:
Add chocolate chips.
make the pancakes smaller like we initially did, so that they're a little bit more like stacky.
Do it on low heat. That's my suggestion. We'll get all Oreos.
Let's try the Biscoff one.
I actually like this little bit here.
Interesting. Shouldn't go for this bit here.
Cross section on this one's alright as well.
Boom. Oh man, that one's better.
Yeah, I think that's because of the spread though.
That's really good.
If we use the Vigo spread instead of the Free Soul one, that would have been.
It's okay. I'm gonna try both together. Now that's a bite.
This is definitely good if you want a sweet breakfast. Breakfast number 2. This is for the savory breakfast people. One of my personal favorites. We are doing scrambled tofu. If you haven't already, I've mentioned this in our easy swaps video, so go watch that. The ingredients of this recipe are tofu, extra firm tofu preferably, because it crumbles up a little bit more the way eggs would. Himalayan black salt, turmeric to give it the color, baked beans, and toast. The idea is that you basically crumble it up using a fork or whatever is easiest for you. The black Himalayan salt is what gives it an eggy smell and eggy flavor. Be generous with this, but also not too generous because it will be salty. Smell that and tell me if it smells of egg.
A little bit.
Good, not too much hopefully. And then a little bit of the turmeric. How do you say this?
Turmeric.
Turmeric. And I'm just going to scramble this up. As soon as you put it in the pan, this really does this little thing. Go back to our trusty pan. Let it heat up a little bit. Spray. Flavor a spatula.
It's a wooden spoon.
And then just pour it in the pan.
It looks exactly like scrambled.
And then it's gonna pick up on the color. If you don't like this version, you can always just pick out crack, or Oats does its own thing. We mentioned all of this in the video that we were talking about in the easy swap. If you can't be bothered to make your own scrambled tofu, then just pick up one of those because they look and taste very much like scrambled eggs.
This is really starting to smell like egg.
You know, scrambled egg used to be one of my favorite breakfasts because I was such a lazy cook. Just wake up.
Such a lazy cook?
I used to wake up on a Saturday morning and just crack some eggs in the pan.
Are you talking about fried eggs?
Yeah.
You said scrambled eggs.
Yeah, I used to scramble them. I used to crack them in the pan.
Wait. You made fried eggs that you just chopped about?
Yeah.
That's not scrambled eggs.
Whilst that's cooking itself up, let's do the baked beans.
These are Heinz baked beans.
The no added sugar one.
The classics.
You can always add a little bit of bacon. This isn't bacon, it's really high in protein.
I'm prepared. You go first, my lady.
Pretty exciting.
I love sriracha as well.
A little bit of everything, let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hell yeah. Oh, good as hell. Tastes like egg. A bit salty.
Oh, I added extra salt.
The chef strikes again. This bread is great.
This bread is phenomenal.
Could be some of the best bread I've ever got from like a supermarket. Handcrafted chia batter.
And they had an olive on as well.
Big bite.
This is such a great easy breakfast.
Yeah, this is 100% a staple. This with some sausages,
Vegan bacon.
mushrooms or hash browns or something, you basically got full English. On to the next one.
We are on the last recipe. This is another sweet one. TikTok's favorite protein oats or proats. We're gonna do a salted caramel flavor with sachets because that's all I have.
Sachets?
Yeah,
Sachets?
sachets.
Sachets.
No, a sachet is a dance.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is a sachet.
This is a sachet.
It's a sachet. In a bowl, we're going to mix the contents of a couple of these sachets with my vegan salted caramel soy isolate. This is definitely the best flavor.
What is the isolate?
This is the best flavor by far, salted caramel. We're doing 1 scoop, which is about 24 grams of protein. Put in a tiny little bit of salt just to bring out the flavor. We are bringing the milk to a boil, and then we're going to put in the mixture. Maybe get yourself a newer saucepan. We use the Mighty Milk pea protein, which has 20 grams of protein for every carton. You can use soy milk or oat milk or almond milk or water or chocolate milk, which I would do, but Louis wouldn't let me. I personally think it would be really good. We're gonna wait for that to boil and then put in our mixture. At this point, if you want thicker oats, then you can use a little bit more milk.
You don't want runny oats, but you don't want soggy oats.
Agreed.
People at home, cold or hot Weetabix, followed by what goes with your Weetabix. Have our little Romanian bowl here.
The nice thing about oats, protein oats specifically, is that you can add as much protein powder as you want.
And if you don't need them all, you can just put them in the fridge. Exact same
Yeah,
way
and
to
you
do.
can add more milk and then they're nice and fresh. And now it's everyone's favorite part because you can just put whatever toppings you want.
We're going to put some fruit and some peanut butter. Always rush fruit, guys. It's Selena, what was the more alpha fruit? Raspberries or blueberries?
Blueberries.
I
They're
think I
brain
might
fruit.
agree. They ain't giving me no brain.
No one does. Let's just add it up over here. I prefer frozen fruit, but that's because I saw one time that they said where they've cut them off before they're at their peak, they don't get added with all these preservatives that fresh fruit do.
Science. That's a lot of fruit.
I would have got strawberries, but really expensive in the UK right now. Now we have 100% peanut butter right here.
100% peanut butter.
And
Don't
no
put it on
palm
my
oil
grits.
ever. You know when you have peanut butter and then the oil kind of like reserves at the top?
Yeah.
So you know it's good peanut butter. I don't know if that's true, I've just made that up.
There's never enough peanut butter.
Huge bit of peanut butter right there. And at this point, you can drizzle it with a little bit of maple syrup or agave syrup or chocolate syrup.
Which we're not going to do because that would be too much.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Okay, I guess we're doing it.
This one's from My Protein. This is golden syrup flavor. Or this one from Bulk, which is chocolate caramel flavor.
The golden syrup would be nicer. Not too much, not too much. This thing has some good oats.
Yeah, a little bit of the peanut butter, a little bit of the oats, and a little bit of the berries.
Oh, it would appear we have a special guest.
Oh, what's up?
Yummy. No, thank you.
This is probably the quickest breakfast that you can make.
Yeah.
2-minute oats and just whatever toppings you want.
That's some nice ass oats.
I forgot how good peanut butter is.
You know, it's unreal, always. I'll probably whack chocolate chips in the process.
Chocolate chips in there is good for.
Okay, with that all said and done, those are 3 high-protein vegan breakfasts that
Yeah.
we've made over the course of 10 minutes.
All plant-based. We hope you enjoyed the recipes, and if you did, give the video a thumbs up.
Let us know which your favourite was.
If you want any more ideas for easy swaps, then go watch our other video. Links.
What's your go-to breakfast? If you got any good recipes, feel free to share them in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you want to check us out elsewhere, we are also on Instagram and TikTok, V for Vegan, exact same way of spelling it. We've also just got a Threads account, it's like the rules all, as they say. That's it. See you later.
Just a disclaimer, I don't cook very well. But when it's recipes as simple as this,
Even a dunce like you can mess it up.
exactly. It is starting to brown up, especially this one. Look at the thickness on that pancake. Alright, look at that. Ready? Turn. Oh, it's a little bit burnt.
What heat have you got this on?
A little bit high.
Fucking hell. It's supposed to be on low heat, man.
No one said that. Should we start again?
Can we reveal them? Oh.
They keep progressively worse. I burnt them a little bit, okay? You know what? I burnt them a little bit. We go again.